Lovelies, allow me to say good morning. If you watch this video in this morning, I'm going to make it and I post it immediately. And if you watch it afternoon or any other day, good day. Hope you're doing well. So this is Christine. I'm going to talk about on how to make money. In a simple way, I want to give you an highlight on how to make money with your smartphone. I think right now I have experience on making money with my smartphone for almost 3 years. But can you believe that most people that are around me, they don't make money out of the smartphone? Do you know that? Do you know most people that even call my friends, like, when you have friends, you have categories. You have the categories who will like what you do. You have the categories who don't like what you do. Then you have like categories that are working class, and then we have all those categories that don't have even anything to put on their table, as in they don't have salary, they don't have income. When I'm talking about that, you understand. So can you believe that even the people who don't have money, who are not expecting to get salary anywhere, they have never taken a step to say, as Christine is always doing this, and they know I'm earning, can I do the same? There are some people that have gone ahead to support such that they can do it, but they failed. They've never done it. They didn't fail, they've never done it. So this morning, or this day, I'm here to tell you that making money online is not a baby joke. It's not a simple thing. I think you can see my eyes. I just came out of bed and I went to shower. Then I'm like, it's not simple. So if it's not simple, but imagine what is simple. Is lacking money simple? Is seeing your account reading zero from Monday up to Monday, from the first day up to the end of the day of the month simple? Is simple, do we define simple like you find like every time you're in luck, you want to call a friend and say, please, can you help me with this? Is that simple? No, it's not simple. Making money online, yes, it's not simple, but making money online is the sweetest. As you can see on the screen, this what I always experience every 21st of the month. Every 21st of the month, I'm talking about 21st, not 25th. I always get two checks, the 21st of the month and 25th. 25th is for Facebook, 21st is for YouTube. Then any other day is from apps, maybe from Amazon, and you understand. So it is very beautiful that I don't wait for salary. If you're watching this video, please stop waiting for salary. And you're not going to say, I'm starting today, I'm getting money tomorrow. Making money online is so sweet, but it's not simple as you think. Because you have to dedicate yourself, you have to give up some of the luxurious things, like if you have an off day, if you're there, you just run to go out. No, that is the time you're planning, you're thinking about what is next, what am I going to post, what am I going to research. So making money online, trust me, the moment you test like this, the moment you test that dime, you will never stop and you will appreciate. So as I'm speaking, by the way, the money for YouTube, the one I received yesterday, I've already put it into investment. And I pray that God is going to cover that project in Jesus' name. And the money I'm going to get on 25th, I'm already planning for it. What next? Sometimes take a step of faith. Take a step of love. The moment you take a step, you start to learn. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you want one-on-one, now I'm open to a real intense masterclass. because I feel not comfortable to say that I'm talking to you year one, year two, and you stay like that. So please, if you want to know more, if you want me to work with you, there's someone who wrote on YouTube and say, please, Immaculate, hold my hand. I want you to go to this video, subscribe. Subscription is not much. It was at one dirham sometime back, or is it dollar? Now I just put it at like $4. Why? I want to give you a very heavy package. I was not privileged to get a chance to do this with someone or to give me a package. But me, if you subscribe, I'm going to be with you one-on-one depending on what you want to learn. Already there are some people I'm making for them templates on a product on demand. Those ones are my darlings because they are top engagers. Then another one asked for Facebook, but since she's in Uganda, I cannot give her Facebook. I'm going to see what I can give her template. Then there are those people who say, Christine, I subscribed on Facebook. I mean Facebook, not YouTube. If you subscribe on Facebook, I'm going to give you the whole book, the ebook, the whole ebook of the 10 ways to make money with your smartphones. Trust me, these things work. I've seen them work. So, what am I telling you guys? Making money online is not just to wake up and you say, I'm making money online. But if you can get time to be on TikTok 24/7, and that TikTok, you want maybe to someone send you money and you do something, or someone send you flowers, pics, someone to appreciate you, you're doing a great job, you can do the same 2 times. You can get appreciation, favors, pics, you can get all that at the same time when you're being paid by TikTok. But are you in a place where TikTok is monetized? If not, use the same information that you're putting on TikTok, put it on Facebook, put it on YouTube. That is the simplest way. So making money online is not a joke. You can even go ahead and visit what? Visit other apps. Okay, not to talk a lot. Making money online is very simple. You guys try it today. And don't forget to visit our YouTube. Don't forget to visit our Facebook. Above all, don't forget to visit our Stan store. That Stan store has a lot of things. We have products. We have even print on demand. We have ebooks. We have templates. We have what you want there, and we have even products like if you want such cozy, you can see it. If you want a cozy, you understand. If you want all this, even the attires, we have personalized t-shirts for Immaculate Show. All of them, find them there. But get to know, don't hold a phone without making money. Bye bye.